Hi, I'm Nicole, a reference librarian at McAllen Public Library, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make a simple apple cinnamon puff pastry that's easy and delicious. These are the ingredients you will need. For the puff pastry sheets, I use these by Pepperidge Farms, which you can find in a lot of grocery stores. You can use whichever apple you prefer, but I used Honeycrisp. Start off by taking the puff pastry out of the freezer to thaw. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and prep your apple or apples. Add your sliced apples to a bowl and add 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a dash of salt. After cutting the puff pastry, you can place it on a baking pan sprayed with cooking spray or on parchment paper. Arrange your apple slices in a line overlapping as you go. Leave a half-inch gap on the sides. This will allow the puff pastry to rise. I hope you enjoy this recipe. They turned out so good. Thanks for watching Food for Thought, and be sure to follow MPL Adults.